Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Can you believe it's already this time of year? This means we are officially entering the great lock-in of 2025. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's basically this. From now until December, we are going to be sprinting towards our goals. These next few months, we're taking advantage of this time to lock in on literally every area of our life. I'm talking fitness, diet, business, money, relationships, career, all of it. So, instead of waiting until January 1st for that sudden burst of motivation like most people do, we're starting now. Because I don't know about you, but I do not want a repeat of all those times I wrote a whole list of New Year's goals. And by February, that list was just collecting dust. A few years ago, I unintentionally did my own version of the Great Lock-In. And I think the transformation speaks for itself. Instead of waiting for the new year like I always did, I decided to get a head start, and I genuinely believe that's why I had the transformation that I did. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use these last few months of 2025 to enter your discipline era, become the version of yourself you've always dreamed of, and finish the year stronger than ever. If you're new here, hello. My name is Lena, and I share all things about leveling up and becoming your best self. So, if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Go subscribe right now. First things first, why the Great Lock-In? Let me tell you, there's a reason why challenges like 75 Hard or the Winter Arc go viral and actually work. It's because they give you a limited time frame to realize your full potential. When you know the clock is ticking, you stop wasting time. You stop procrastinating. You're more likely to show up and stay consistent. And that consistency is what builds true discipline. Take it from me, I am not a naturally disciplined person. Before, I had zero discipline. I snoozed my alarm 5 times, eat whatever I wanted, and always skip my workouts. But when I finally made the conscious decision to lock in before the new year, the discipline I learned during that time carried over. It's why I do what I do today. This time, I wasn't just relying on the January 1st hype that fades away. So I'm telling you, using the end of the year is such a life hack to train your brain and leave your lazy era behind. If you take anything from this video, please let it be this. Stop waiting for January 1st. Start building that momentum now. I don't care if you're watching this in October, November, or even during Christmas time. Just start now. When January 1st comes, you'll already be in motion, confident in your healthy habits and routine,